What's up guys, this is my Audi A4 2.8 96 and it's a custom paint job. After I got it done, it was actually found out that it was similar to stock paint. Color is called sunrise orange or sunset orange, I think. It's actually almost close to a stock color. It's got a rieger kit, Enki ZR2 18-inch rims. Getting rid of it very soon. Getting an upgrade to my fucking turbo. Sweet. A little bit messy on the inside, don't worry about that shit. Custom exhaust, or custom muffler should I say. Sounds pretty nice. There you go, let's try it out. That's it guys, that's my fucking car. Enjoy.